Good evening. Alright, okay, this is a video dedicated to those who are riding the Triban RC 120 by Decathlon. Um, yeah, it's about upgrading the wheels and making your bike go faster. Okay, so as you can see, most of you, I believe, when you buy the bike, you will receive the stock wheels and the stock tires. They're pretty decent. Nothing bad about it. It's just that I believe the bike can go faster. So I was um, looking up online on the internet, and of course, I found these, and it's pretty cheap, quite affordable for a pair of carbon wheels. And of course, China has a bad rep in quality and stuff like that. Um, but I told myself, I just give it a try because I've read pretty good reviews on this set of wheels. So I bought the 50 mm clincher, and then it arrived to my country. I live in Singapore, by the way. Within 6 days, it wasn't that bad. Pretty fast actually. Yeah. So, and I was excited, and on the very same day, I installed the wheels, and I got myself this bad boy over here. Okay, and they look amazing on the Triban actually. Pretty handsome bike. So how do they perform? um, Amazing actually. Let me just show you some stats. Okay, this is my Garmin activity stuff. um, I'm not a strong cyclist. If you want to know where I am in terms of cycling, I'm just a hobbyist. Just trying to get fit, shed some weight, and just be healthy overall. So as you can see, I'm averaging about 15 kilometers, 12, 16, 17, rarely 20 kilometers with the stock tires. These are all stock tires, by the way. Sorry, stock wheels. And then right after I changed it to carbon wheels, these are recent, by the way. It went up to 20, 23, 21, 21. Pretty impressive, I must say. It made my bike go faster, without spending too much. So you might want to give it a try for those who are, riding the Triban RC 120. Yeah. So I hope that this video has helped you in deciding whether you should be changing the wheel set. I would say go for it. It's a good investment. It's a good upgrade. You can't go wrong with it. So far the wheels are pretty solid in terms of durability, in terms of how it performs. Of course, it's good. As you can see the stats over here, averaging from 16, 17, 13, 15, and ignore the single numbers because they're actually sessions with my wife. We got a very slow pace. Yeah. So yeah, that's what you get by changing the wheel set. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you.